help.
Hey there, this activity is feeling tricky right now. So hard, teacher. Take a deep breath.
Welcome to our role play for today. And now, let us see the different transactions in a workplace for the effective special needs education learning. And now, let's start in the classroom. Look at this activity. It's hard to match this.
That is completely okay. Let's break it down together. We'll do just 2 cards first, okay? You're doing a great job here.
Thank you, teacher.
Thanks for taking a minute to chat, teacher. I noticed that our learner was struggling with fine motor tasks during independent work today. I appreciate you bringing that up. We could introduce adaptive visual cards and incorporate movement break before the independent work. Oh, that's fantastic. Accommodation, let's implement that tomorrow and track how it impacts their focus.
In this part, supporting a learner takes a positive role of the teachers, the professional interpersonal skills that will help them to their strategies and accommodation that is to be given by the teachers.
Good morning, ma'am. So, how's my child been progress in class recently?
I will show it to you, sir. So, thank you for meeting with me. They have been making wonderful progress with verbal expression. Today, when a task felt challenging, they expressed their frustration. And together with our co-teacher, we adjusted the activity to support them better.
Thank you, ma'am. That's good to hear. Thank you for giving a different instructions to support my child.
To wrap up, effective communication is a must need for a better SNED class or a better special needs education center.
Patience and empathy, essential for understanding learning behavior and guiding them respectfully. Interpersonal skills and collaboration, working seamlessly with colleagues to create effective learning accommodations.
Workplace ethics and professional communication build strong, transparent relationship through clear, polite feedback.
As a SNED student, the verbal and non-verbal communication or gestures is important for us to easily tell to our teachers and to our mentors what are the needs that is fitted for us.